This is the video I wish I had seen years ago because I'm about to show you how to turn any hobby, literally any hobby, into multiple digital products using AI. And for this example, I used fishing. 5 products, 1 afternoon. So let's get into it. Here's what happened. I picked one hobby, fishing, and I challenged myself to create as many sellable digital products as possible using nothing but AI. And I ended up with 5 digital products that I can sell on Etsy, Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or even my own stand store. And here's the best part. These aren't random ideas. They're part of a product ecosystem, and that means they work together. So one customer can buy one product or multiple products, and one product leads to another. And that's how you actually make money with digital products, not one random PDF, a system. So let me show you what I created. For product number 1, I headed straight to ChatGPT to discuss niches. And the result? A kayak fishing setup guide for beginners. So why this niche? Kayak fishing has its own gear ecosystem. Motors, safety gear, rod, holders, crates, fish finders. And people who get into kayak fishing, they spend money. That means there's affiliate opportunities everywhere. So once I had the niche and the idea, I went back into ChatGPT. And this is how I created it. So I used ChatGPT to research what beginners actually need to know, what gear to buy, what to set up first, and what mistakes to avoid. And then I took that outline and I dropped it into Gamma app. Gamma app built the entire guide for me, formatted, designed, professional looking, and honestly, in less than 30 minutes, I had a full sellable digital product. All I had to do in Gamma app was paste my outline, select my preferences, and click run. I added gear recommendation section with affiliate links, organized budget tiers, and these affiliate links can be added directly from Amazon Associates, and it will take less than 5 seconds to copy and paste it inside your document. Budget, mid-range, and premium products. So now anytime someone would buy some gear through my guide, I would get a commission. And this product pays me when it sells, and it pays me when they buy gear. That's 2 income streams from 1 PDF. Now product number 2. I needed a lure and bait cheat sheet for river kayak fishing in the Northeast. Now this one is super specific and super niche, and that's sort of the point. Specific sells. Something like fishing guide, that's way too broad. You want something like top 10 lures for river kayak fishing. It's something people will actively search for. Here's how I created it. I used ChatGPT to give me the top 10 lures and baits for specific types of fishing. Not just the names, when to use each one, what water conditions, what fish they target. I wanted a guide that was like having an experienced buddy on a fishing trip with you. Then I used Notebook LM to create an infographic separating each bait and lure. It's a simple infographic that someone could print out and keep in their tackle box. And this could be a lead magnet that can grow an email list, or a low ticket product for $1 to $3, or as a bonus and you include it with the main guide. One piece of content, multiple uses. And product number 3, a fishing logbook for Amazon KDP. And to figure out what I was going to create, I went to Amazon to see what products already existed. Amazon KDP, this is passive income. You design the cover and the interior once. Amazon prints it and ships it when someone orders. You never touch inventory. So here's how I created it. First, I found covers that I thought were eye-catching, and then I used ChatGPT to generate cover concepts that were similar but not the same. I used it to design the front and the back. What should a fishing log track? Date, location, weather, water conditions, what bait worked, what didn't, what fish were caught, size, and notes. Then I designed the cover using AI image generation in the style of those popular fishing journals that you see on Amazon. Then I went over to Canva to easily create the interior pages. And I made sure that the front and the back cover matched so it was cohesive and professional. After that, all you have to do is upload it to KDP, set your price, and let it sell while you sleep. And product number 4, a fishing coloring book. This could be a fishing coloring book or fishing coloring book pages. Yes, coloring books still sell, and adult coloring is a huge market. And the niche coloring books, like fishing, hunting, camping, they have dedicated buyers. So here's how I created it. I used AI to generate black and white line art fishing scenes, and I'll put the prompt down below. I asked for a kayak on a peaceful river, a fisherman by a waterfall, simple prompts, and it's beautiful results. And you can sell these as a full coloring book on Amazon KDP, individual pages on Etsy, or a printable bundle on Gumroad. I created multiple scenes in one setting, and that's a whole product from a few prompts. All you have to do is repeat this a few more times and you'll have a full book. If you want to niche it down, you could have funny, sarcastic sayings that go along with each pages. Or if you want to go even funnier, you can create funny situations that happen, like a kayak tipping over and all of the bait and tackle go into the water, because I know that's quite frustrating. And product number 5 is custom fish clip art. And this one actually surprised me. I asked AI to create fish and hook illustration in a distressed vintage style. And I used an image that I got from a popular shirt on Amazon. And the result, it was something I could sell as clip art for other designers. Or I can use it for print on demand products, t-shirts, mugs, stickers, notebooks. It's one illustration, but has multiple income stream potential. You can sell clip art on Etsy, use it on Merch by Amazon, and you can add it to your Printify store and put it on merch. And that's the power of creating assets and not just products. Okay, so let me show you how these 5 products work together. Someone finds my lure infographic, maybe it's free, maybe it's $5. Either way, they are now in my world. And they see I also have a full kayak fishing guide. They buy that for $19. And then inside the guide are affiliate links to gear. They buy the fish finder, I get a commission. They also see that I have a fishing log on Amazon. They buy that too. My brand is becoming recognizable to them. Now, one customer has bought multiple products and generated affiliate income. That's an ecosystem, and that's how this actually works. Now let me show you how you can do this for any hobby. Step 1 is you pick a hobby with buyers. Fishing, golf, gardening, camping, knitting, something where people spend money on gear. Step 2 is you find a specific niche, not just fishing, kayak fishing for beginners, urban bank fishing after work, fly tying for trout, specific wins. Step 3, you use ChatGPT for research. What do beginners need to know? What gear do they need? What mistakes do they make? And then step 4, you can use Gamma app to build the guide, type in your outline, Gamma app designs it, and you export it as a PDF. And then it's done. And step 5, use Notebook LM for organization. Dump in your research and ask it to create. And step 6, go and add your affiliate links. Every product recommendation is a potential commission. Step 7 is to expand your ecosystem. Coloring book, logbook, clip art, infographics. It's one hobby, but you can have multiple products. A quick recap of the AI tools that I mentioned: ChatGPT for research, outlines and content, Gamma app for building guides and digital products, Notebook LM for organizing information into visuals, AI image generation for coloring pages and clip art, and Canva for final formatting. And most of these are free or have free versions. Here's the truth. A few years ago, this would have taken weeks, hiring designers, writing, everything manual, figuring out formatting, visuals. But now you can do it all in one afternoon. 5 products, multiple income streams, and I've already shown you how to do it. You don't need to be an expert. You need to pick a niche, use the tools, and just start creating. If you want to see the AI tools for all of my side hustles, you can watch this video next. And if you want to know the easiest AI side hustles for beginners, you can check out this video. Comment below what hobby you want to create digital products for. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.